Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to claim your Nodepay voucher code in 2025. As you can see, we does not invite any friends, so we don't have any code or number ever here. So in here, if you want to add a voucher code on your profile, then you just need to go over here in the profile section, and you must need to verify yourself. Look, I am going to verify myself, so I am sent a mail to my Gmail. I will check this out. Once I check this out, I hope I will get, yes, I already get my verify email. Just click over here, confirm your email. Once I click over here, it will take a while to track your earning. Just go over here, logging, and then access my account. And now, as you can see, we already earned 0.02 cent. That's amazing. So let's go over here again, and now I am verified. So you need to claim voucher. If you have a code, then just enter your code over here, and then you will get to claim voucher. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.